So I just got done replacing the brake assembly, the drum, and all the bearings on both axles, or on both wheels of this axle, my boat trailer. This side that we're looking at here was something that I ordered on Amazon from somewhere, and it sounds like this. I'm not going to spin it too much because that ain't good. Now let's go to the other side that has bearings that I bought locally from a place called McGuire's Bearings, and listen to this. Nothing. You hear a little bit of the brake pads. They should be touching on these hydraulic surge brakes. So, guess where I will never be buying bearings again?